Welcome to my channel. Here we have 5 plus 7 to the power of 2 divided by 7. We first of all solve our exponent, which is 7 to the power of 2. So 7 times 7 will give us 49. So we'll bring down 5 plus 49 divided by 7. 5 plus 49 will give us 54. Then 54 divided by 7 will give us 7.7. So 7.7 is the wrong answer to this expression because we did not follow the order of operation, which is PEMDAS. In PEMDAS, we have parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. So multiplication and division have equal priorities, such as addition and subtraction, working from our left to our right. So let's dive into the right answer to this question. First of all, we solve our exponent, which is 7 to the power of 2. So 7 times 7 will give us 49. And we have 5 plus 49 divided by 7. So we solve our division first before addition because it comes first in PEMDAS. So 49 divided by 7 will give us 7. Then we have 5 plus 7. 5 plus 7 will give us 12. So 12 is the right answer to this expression. I hope you find this video helpful. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.